the importance of it for me is realizing that we live on this planet, but we don't necessarily know how to survive on the planet because we have so many dependencies on so many conveniences. It's like they're making us buy back from them what we should be doing for ourselves. And so it's important for me to learn how to work with the earth and get what I need from it, and learn how to sustain a family and be able to teach my children this wisdom for in case there ever comes a day when we need to have the survival skills for the earth. It makes me feel really good mentally and physically, because I know that I'm putting in my body what my body wants and not eating for a reason other than to feed my body, which is what it's for. And I've been becoming aware of like the food that I have in my hands and then in my mouth and then it's in my stomach and then it is becoming like what I am. And so I've just been like becoming aware and like putting lots of love into the food before it goes down into my stomach, and like chewing really good, because the more you chew, the less your stomach has to do, and just love all the way down. Sometimes I'll go days without seeing another human being.
And so as a girl, how do you feel totally comfortable in nature, no fear?
No fear. Especially here on Hawaii, because there's nothing to worry about. But it's probably my favorite time that I spend ever is when I'm alone in the jungle. A lot of my time I spend just frolicking around and harvesting food or planting food and propagating the plants, or just being in a peaceful meditative space where I'm just listening and tuned in. It's important because it centers you like in your heart space and on your breath, which is what is happening now. Because a lot of times we can get distracted and like make up things in our mind and make up scenarios to be present in, but it's not. Meditation just brings you back to now. I would say that you can be afraid or you can live.
Do you feel that we do have divine protection and angels and spirit guides?
Absolutely, absolutely. I feel so protected, and I feel like the more I connect with the earth as a being, the more guidance and the more protected I feel. And yeah. I like to be barefoot because I feel like we're energetic beings on an energetic planet, and rubber is non-conductive of electricity, and that's just what we use for the soles of our shoes, and I feel like it's no coincidence. It's literally to disconnect you energetically from the source, and I feel like that's the reason why people are so tired and sick and everything, is because they're disconnected, they're not getting charged up. And me, I walk barefoot so that I have a constant reminder, like with every step, that there is no separation and that I am Earth. Yoga benefits me because it's a great way for me to get into my body, and I can just like feel, like move all the different parts and feel what's going on, and I like to stretch just to feel like I have like motion in my body and that I'm not becoming too stagnant, because if you don't use it, you lose it. It helps me in so many ways. It helps me understand myself and other people, because I no longer have to judge and not understand why people are the way they are or why I am the way that I am. I can really understand it on like a energetic makeup and see the energies for what they are and not judge them. And Yes, so much. Can I sing a song?
Yes, please.
Okay.
Beautiful though.
I want my freedom. You cannot take that from me. It's getting hard to find in this society. You're feed into the system and your life gets slaved away. But no one owns my time, and I like it that way. What is freedom? What does that word even mean? Following your heart and not that money. Oh no, 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 no. My time on earth, so much more precious to me than to trade it by the hour for things that I don't need. The choice is yours. We're all born naked and free, living in fears, feeding yourself your disease. Authority will never have a say in what I can be. The choice is yours in this moment, and I choose to be free. I move back to the earth. I put my time where it's worth. Fuck society. I put them seeds in the ground, put my love where it counts, and yes, plant some trees, and then reap what I sow. I help them little plants grow, and they take care of me. I got everything I need right here in the earth if I just let myself be free.